I just cracked open this kit. It's really nice. So we've got the first instruction here. You got to make this with the little thing. Put it on, which I did. Built one of them. Now I've got to do the other one and put it on, but yeah, that was horrible. But just want to show you this base from Dragon. See, look at the texture on it, the detail. Now I do believe this is a newer kit by Dragon. But I'm just really blowing out on the detail of this. It's a very, very, very nice base. Very nice, Dragon. Very nice. Now, first thing we've got to do with this kit is we've got to put all this stuff in, all these fuel tanks and stuff. Now, see how they say that it's optional? It's optional because there's no way you're going to be able to see that. But we're going to put it in anyway, and we're going to paint it up. And we'll videotape it for posterity. But you see this thing here? That goes over the top of it. See? So there's no real way you'll ever be able to show it or see it. But let's do it anyway. Let's do it anyway. And this is the other nice little part. Hey, the body. See, look at those weld lines. It's very nice texture. You got really nice little clips there. Look at the detail on the side here, and I really like it because it's a C model as well. My favourite Sd.K.251 model. It's pretty good, isn't it? You have to have the doors closed, I think, because you've got another flamethrower on the back. And this is the side walls, side armour. It's got a good thickness. The interior part. Yeah, I reckon this is going to come up to be a really nice little model. Yeah, you get your ejector pin marks really big on Dragon kits, but we'll clean that up. See a few there, they're all going to have to be cleaned up, and that's not going to be an easy spot to get to there. Those two are going to be hard, they're going to have to be done. There's none along the side there. Those probably, yeah, they won't be seen. Blah, blah, blah. Looks like you could have it this open. What would you be showing? What's that engine for? So I don't think that's the main engine, is it? I don't know. Does this have an engine? Can we open the hood and show an engine? No, it looks like it's empty. Oh, that's a pity. Come on, Dragon, put in the engine. Oh well. Oh well. But yeah, I like it a lot. So we'll get started on it. I've got to go see my brother soon, and my mum, and my dad, and all that. My stepdad. You get all these nice little clear parts. Oh, the actual these things are in clear parts. That's interesting. Strange, isn't it? Oh, here's the fuel tanks and stuff. Yeah. Well, anyway, I've just been going through it. It's a really impressive little kit. So let's put it together and we'll do it to, and I'll show you how we go with it, because it's really cool. All the parts are really nice. I like it. All right, I'll see you soon, guys.